That same Satan that entered Emmanuel Church killed 12 students and a teacher and injured 21 others at Columbine High School in 1999. That same Satan that entered Emmanuel Church killed 20 children and 6 adults at Sandy Hook School in 2012. That same Satan entered a theater in Aurora, Colorado in 2012, killing 12 people and injuring 70. That same Satan detonated a bomb on the streets of Boston. And yes, that was the same Satan that piloted planes into the World Trade Center in 2001. The Sons of Confederate Veterans praises Charleston's first responders, their law enforcement officers that arrived on the scene that night on Calhoun Street to witness the carnage. Having spent some time as a firefighter and seeing some things that were not pleasant, I know without a doubt the first responders that came there that night saw things they will never forget for the rest of their life.